Wagwan people, Dancehall Skilla there again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. So I get the understanding that some allegations are going on social media about the Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Skillibeng. I see a video on social media that shows a man talk about Skillibeng, and some things I hear in the video, viewers and subscribers make me have to do some research. So I say, yeah, so I can present a video to you that shows two females, and in this video, these two females talk about Skillibeng. I want to listen carefully to some things that these two females say. I mean, I don't say nothing much, you see me? And I want you to please bear in mind that some harsh language used in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Look, listen, and observe for yourself.
My throat all yo. Some boy are real. Say, I eat that to the brand new fire now. Give me a jump price, I'm just coming from the airport. You there at Connecticut with me last night. Just me too.
Skilly, where? Like, seriously?
When? Who?
Listen, y'all so stupid. Cause y'all know if Skilly would have got boxed, that party would have never went on. The whole would have been lit up. Are y'all crazy? Only one person get boxed last night. You understand? And that troop of fire. That's the only person that boxed. And that nigga got boxed by a lady. Are you crazy? Mineral box boxed that troop of fire.
Yo, dog.
That's what y'all need to talk about. Why y'all ain't talk about that? Skilly could have never get touched. Go on my page and look on my post and see how much security was around Skilly. You think Skilly could have get touched? Skilly came there with American down. Are y'all stupid?
Jay Mulach. You're the first me fright my phone and stop ring all I know. Go off. This must up with this. Oh, what kind of...
And these dumb ass people go around and believe that they here.
A man get up this morning and tell himself say he want to be famous. You see you selector boy, this a come from me. You better take up all your phone and tell the people them say you have a dream last night. Because Skilly no get no box or next or no buckle or nothing whatever when me hear and sip on one video look a while. That is just ridiculous.
Yeah.
Sin can go so. Eh? Gonna ramp with my brand new man. Don't do it. First of all, he never arrive after 10. He arrive 9:45. When me see him on the stage, me frightened, me ask him when come out of the truck for. You don't remember?
Yeah. Right.
Yeah, come here so with the to come out of the truck for.
And first of all, y'all talking about Skilly supposed to be there the day before. What Skilly? That's not even in the contract. This is Mineral Bar's contract. It wasn't in the contract that he's supposed to go to no fucking bullshit radio.
It's in there that he's not doing any of that. No meet and greet.
No nothing.
I will circle it and post it. So it's too much ears, man. Too much talking.
And it's talking from people that don't got nothing to do with the party. Talking from people that wasn't even there. Like, how the hell y'all got some rumor going? Wanna leave the boy alone? Nothing like that. I emphasize crocodile teeth. Every teeth gets crazy.
Big disrespect. Big. I don't want definition of character. Mash out the man carry. What is God? Which could have put them on plan Skilly and be stand up there? Which one I don't know? No bad man that they could have do that. None. Oh. So I just start telling them.
Yo.
Do you see Skilly with anybody other than MBR? Impossible. That is a lie. All of this is rumors. As I said, the internet is not a real place. We never go lost. You see me?
Tell the mama who got boxed. So he didn't see who got boxed?
Remember them people are police people that yo listen. And a shame that them clock gave me a band money. They have only for band money. And they say that simple and straight. You see it? A boy put them hand on me.
So
you can't do that. That is a no. Yeah. Right, they say that.
Yeah, never. Skilly never get touched.
Yo,
Never. I know how much gold goons was around Skilly last night?
Not even that. There's miscalculations. Yes, the promoter, SMB, people know him as Stepper. He was a little upset. Yes, he was upset. But then again, I could let a million man in him ears because him feel like, say, I don't even know what that problem was, to be honest, because I haven't even got to that. But after them problem, the point is, nobody put their hands on Skillibeng. Skillibeng arrived safely to his next destination. I made sure of it before I left. That's it. Anybody where I said this and that, no radio, no radio interview, no meet and go, all of those things are excluded from the contract. So they did know before, so you can't know. I tell you this, a lot of them, when you go different cities, can meet to a regular. Yes, the radios want interviews, the reporters want report, the fans want pictures. Don't get me wrong. But artists of certain calibers, them kind of gov them thing a different way. You see me? So that's up to them choice, and that is an agreement they make very clear before even arriving on the scene. So we can't say this, cause me a team, me don't want to mix up when we run this. But you have one artist out there where we spend the whole night time with him, fans them, because that is him show love, and that is Dexter. That's because him want to do it. You see me? Yeah, he's like,
Every
he
artist
can take a picture with everybody. That's different. All of them are different, but in the majority of the contracts, they don't get exposed to that type, but you know, you don't go like that. So now if you understand these levels to this, skill it upon a level, nowhere. Certain things can happen. My throat taught me. And one last thing, and that's all I call for me gonna know. Because under MBR government, me hear man I said them keep sure, hey, this thing serious. Oh, people love him so, eh?
And people talking about they keep show because they got paid to promote the show. You ain't put a cent in the show. How the fuck is that your show?
Anyways, just to clear the artist name on my behalf or whatever. None of that happened. I want to drink honey, I want to go sleep. I'm tired. I mean, I've been even go live. I don't believe that the internet is not a real. Every time I turn around, I prove it. And me do post and come off. The internet is not a record. This man here will go say, me want to know which constitution him get him. Are you down? Him get up and tell himself, say, one famous this morning.
Right.
And the internet is not a real place. So, that. They come out me did it. I know. They know. So, people have a good day.
Johnny one that just log on.
No. Johnny, you all them things.
And Johnny.
Oh boy, Skilla and my government. Idiot. Where?
Johnny, I must
which part?
Boss.
No, especially under your government, not even Skilly. Nobody could even touch Skilly under a year. Are you crazy?
Yo, me just can't get enough of this. Yo, acting.
And you got the bloggers.
Acting. Put him hand for me, acting. I cry. As a big woman, 2 hours, I sit down, because I don't want to mash up the show.
Acting and Johnny.
Acting. My ball. Boy, put him hand for me, tell him, I go this you. You think I joke? But because me have sense, I'm try to run things in a certain order. Why me never get out of my car 2 hours and 20 minutes. Me have to sit down uncomfortable with can put them on for me and feel like, yeah, idiot. Listen, so at the end of the day, that was the only thing, and I made sure that didn't happen. Not everything what they say happen. You see what I say? On some real. Well, boy named Kimmy. I mean, I don't know it.
Trooper fire. And I
put her name where you want name.
Yeah, but at the end, she bats him down to the stage.
Let me tell him. Let me tell him.
What should it do him?
All with me, let me tell him. Let me tell him.
About 3 times one stop.
Let me know no apology from now. Yeah, Mr. Selector. Yeah.
About 3 times one stop.
Yeah. So me that's not like you people. That are the mean. Acting, I swear. Give me here acting, I say a lie.
Yeah, but acting, she good because she bats him down.
Acting. Acting. I rock me, I try rock. Now go round that. I drop me one on him, that's what upon him. Tell me dress back, I'm tall and bigger than me, you know.
Yeah, but that's why but you bats him and never say a skilly get bats. Me not understand.
Crazy.
And the commotion, them see.
And the commotion, them see in the corner, yeah, probably that.
Same corner.
Maybe in the corner.
Feel like.
Maybe.
A skilly in the same corner.
Oh.
Yeah. And when they drag him to the stage, alright, there's a skilly stand up.
Oh, so that's probably thing.
And skilly, the altercation they did at that boy.
Oh, please.
You mix up.
This is crazy.
Tell us that.
Anyways, people, have a beautiful Monday. I have to get some sleep.
Yeah, we just verify that Skilly did not get touched.
I'm just verifying that is a lie. The internet wicked number. This is not a real place. But look on the video, them look on the altitude that you get me. And the only reason too, me can talk Skilly up on a flight. Cause me know him a go shock when film plane land and him see all of this stuff. You see me? Make her whatever. You see me?
You hear the things them that those two females said, viewers and subscribers? You hear the things of them said? Because me see a video on social media that shows a man, and some things when me hear the man say in the video, in the viewers and subscribers, sound totally different from the things that these two females said. You understand? But I like to hear from Skillibeng, you know, because Skillibeng would have totally clear up this whole thing, or clear up those allegations that are going around on social media about him, you know. So me I say, yeah, cause so allegation I go around and say that somebody beat up Skillibeng, and then after the person beat up Skillibeng, make Skillibeng go up on stage and perform same way and all them things. And I said to myself, say, but wait, like for real, I walk one day, so I ask myself, so something like that could I really go up? See? Well, here what those two females said, viewers and subscribers. I said, but anyways, let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. But I like to hear what Skillibeng have to say about this whole thing. Alright, and until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. And big up on yourself, you see it?
Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla!
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.